Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for joining this live stream. Oh my God, this news is just scary. I mean, I think Bitcoin go to zero. Just kidding. I'm, I'm actually playing with you. I know. But it's a fun day today. We're going to be talking about a lot of news with Mr. M. Hey, where are you?
Hey, Davichi.
There you are.
It's good to see you, man. It's done, yeah? We're going to
Good.
zero, right? Going to zero.
Exactly. Yeah. It's over. It's over. Man, sell all your Bitcoin. No, never do that. Hold on to your Bitcoin for dear life. Right? That's what corporations are doing. And we're going to be talking about that in the news as well. But make sure you hit the subscribe, hit the like, and also head over to Mr. M's podcast, right? Uh, we're going to be doing a little podcast of our own on the weekend, right?
Yeah, exactly. We're going to be on the beach talking about some interesting things. So make sure to stay subscribed because it's going to be epic. I'm looking forward to it.
We're going to be recording with two cameras or something like that, right?
Yeah, exactly. We're going to be on the beach with multiple cameras. It's going to be epic.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah. So, with that said, also, I'm going to be heading to the financial summit. I don't know if you could join us, Mr. M. I'm going to try to convince you to join us, man, because it's lots of fun. And you need to bring your wife here. I mean, I'm sure she would love to sit on the beach in a hut on the water, right? It's just beautiful.
Yeah, I think I'll join as well. Yeah, it sounds like
hmm
a really fun and beautiful thing to do. So I think I'll be there as well.
Awesome, awesome. All right. Before I continue, I want to talk about something very important. Let's go to full screen first, right? The first thing we need to talk about is that we will be discussing, right, a degen section. We're gonna have a degen section of this show, and in that degen section, there's going to be coins that are, well, some of them do well, and some of them, and most of them will go to zero. Now, if you see us profit heavily, right, and get FOMO, right, and it goes, and you buy something and it goes to zero. Can you explain to the people whose fault is that?
Yeah, there's something called your your
Your
fault
fault insurance.
insurance. So look into the mirror.
You need to take that out.
Exactly. The only thing we recommend to buy is Bitcoin, right? That's it. Just buy
Yeah,
Bitcoin.
exactly, exactly. Bitcoin.
Solid.
Buy some more Bitcoin, and then when you're done buying Bitcoin, buy some more. If you want to buy Solana and stuff like that, just make sure you take profits and then into where? Where do you take profits into? I'm sorry.
Bitcoin. Bitcoin.
Yeah, you
It
got
seems to
it,
be
Pontiac.
it seems to be the answers for everything, right? So yeah.
Oh, damn, damn. You know what? I just dated myself by saying you got it, Pontiac. Somebody Google that into YouTube. Put that in YouTube. You got it, Pontiac. You'll see how old I am. Oh,
Amazing.
damn. All right,
Amazing.
so let's talk about the this month and see. Oh my God, we're dropping. Well, it's still really green, but it's 0.3. That's okay. It will be okay. We could turn it around. The lowest we could possibly go, because here's why. I think it was this one right here, right? Yeah, that's the one I want to talk about next. Is and I can't seem to move these, and I don't know why. Sometimes it works, sometimes the drag and drop works, sometimes it doesn't. But anyways, as you can see, right, Bitcoin when it takes off, right, from its takeoff point, right, from its jump off point, it never goes back to 38.2, right? If you jump off, or if there's any kind of correction, right? Large 38, like less than 38.2 correction, right? So let's just say this is a jump off point. Boom, correction never comes to 38.2, and then you could actually drop from here to here, and it never comes back to 38.2 from there, right? And then
Yeah.
it goes off again, and then once it breaks that 38.2 from the correction, you could say, okay, game over, right? So that's what this chart is saying. So once again, so you people could understand how a Fibonacci sequence works and where to draw the Fibonacci lines. You're drawing on this first jump off, you're drawing from here to here, and then it corrects on the monthly, right? So you can see that there's lower highs going further, right? See them right here?
Yep.
Let me see if I can zoom in on that. I can't. I don't know if I can. Hmm.
I mean,
Are you
it's
seeing
not
this?
super
No,
big, but
no.
you can see. Yeah, you can see. I
Yeah.
mean, I can
So
see.
I was trying to zoom in with, but I can't. But anyways, you can see that this. You know what? I guess you know what I could do. I could do this. Hang on 1 second. I drag this here, drag this back on here,
There you go.
and then zoom that.
How about that? Nice. Yeah.
There you go. So I want to describe this for you so that if you draw the Fibonacci's from here to this point, you're looking for the correction. How do you know it's a correction? Because we're creating higher, um, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So that's a correction. And it comes back down, and it never comes back down to any kind of correction, never comes back down to 38.2. If that's the case, then you have to draw your fib, your next fib, from this lowest point to the next high point once it breaks this high. Breaks the high, and then you go, okay, starts coming back down. That's a correction. Did it break 38.2? Yes, it did, actually. Look at that. That one
Yep.
did. That one did break the 38.2 and reversed higher. This one, not quite a correction here. So you wouldn't count this one because it's not a correction. The reason why is because we don't have enough downward movement to say that this is a correction, other than the fact that this was a big, scary move, right? And so I would have ignored that one. This one will go right up. So see, they marked it to right here, and I wouldn't count that. I mean, I guess you could, right? And that was a correction down to 38.2, but it only wicked down. So you only wicked down, so it's not too bad, right? We didn't have any closes below the 38.2. I guess that's what they're saying here. No closes below the 38.2.
Yeah, exactly.
All
Because
right, scrolling up.
a bunch of weeks have gone down, but not the closes. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. No closes, no closes. And no close here as well. So once it closed above the 30, below the 38.2, sell cycle
Yeah.
on the monthly, right? Right? Once it closed, right? So that's it. So here again, close. That was it. Close below the 38.2. Time to walk away. So with that said, we're not getting a close below 80K. We might wick below it, right? We might, go to 70K and then come back up in a month, but that's about it, right? That's all we're gonna get. That's all she wrote. Okay.
Nice.
Let's see here. What do you think about that?
Oh boy, this is not good. As you can see, the ETF
Oh,
inflows and
this one. Okay.
outflows. You can see
Mm-hmm.
the January 9th, which was, I mean, it takes a day for the data to come through, but you can see on the 8th, basically every single ETF have sold. If you scroll up a little bit, because I think we are covering the numbers with our
Yeah, yeah.
cameras. There you go. You can see there's been 568 million leaving the ETFs. So that's not good. It takes 24 hours to see the numbers, so we will see yesterday's number today. So because it takes 24 hours. So the 9th, I think it's going to be also not great because of course the price has gone down, but at some point it has to bounce back. What's interesting is to see that Grayscale is basically almost sold everything because as you can see the volume is tiny, but BlackRock, Fidelity and all the others have been selling. Look at this. The first one on the left is BlackRock, 124 million. Second, 258 millions. I mean, you can see that everyone is taking profit, right? So,
Oh well, it is what it is, right?
exactly.
Somebody probably pumped the price up, right? And so they have to exit their trade, and that's what they're doing. So they were just pushing the price and then pumping and then selling it out when they made the money, and that's it. And now this creates momentum of selling, right, from liquidations and so forth. And That's that. So somebody with large money can do that. When this is how you do it on the meme coins too, right? You see a lot of meme coins are doing the same thing. So they push
Exactly.
it up and then they suck it all out. So
I have a
all
question for
right.
you, Da Vinci. Before we
Hmm?
move on to something else, do you think we will see these volatility, buying, selling until Trump is going to take charge on the 20? People are speculating on the fact that the Trump pump is in already. Are you expecting volatility until the 20?
There will always be volatility in every market, period. Right? How much volatility is, a function of basically the credit cycle mixed in with the hype cycle, right? So if there is a lot of loose credit, we'll see markets are volatile until and then all like for example, what you call volatile. So for example, if you say 5% move is volatile, which is that's what they consider in the regular stock market, right?
Yeah,
5%. We're like, what?
nothing.
Wake me up when it's 40. Yeah. Jeez.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, fair enough.
So so if you're talking about the 40% moves, right, they're gonna go away, right? We're gonna be moved to the 5% moves and until there's some sort of liquidity crunch, right? And everybody needs cash, like the physical cash, to pay off their debts. And other than that, yeah, we won't see any more volatility until there is a crisis, basically. Crisis.
Fair enough.
Hmm.
Thank you.
All right. Sol ETF unlikely to be approved in U.S. anytime soon. Duh.
Who would have
Right?
thought?
But hmm come on. Sometimes online, man.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, there is a lot of speculation on after Ethereum ETF got approved, which I was not expecting this year. If you remember, we discussed on the Bitcoin, yes, last year, but Ethereum, I was not expecting last year. So then what happens was everyone, oh, Solana, XRP. I think what will happen most likely is going to be an index of all these altcoins, maybe XRP, Solana, Ethereum together, maybe some meme coins even. But a specific Solana ETF, I don't think so either. I
Yeah,
don't think.
it'd be difficult because here's the problem, right? Can you imagine if Solana's down for a day, which has happened, and it's like, oh yeah, you're trading Solana now on the ETFs whilst it's down. Really?
Yeah,
Really?
it could be interesting.
Yeah, exactly.
They will create some gaps, some serious gaps.
Might have some problems there. And I know. So Solana might trade on your exchange, right? It's because they don't actually they're only it's ledger based Solana, right? So meaning on their internal ledger they decide, okay, you have this much Solana and you don't, right? Somebody else has it. And that's it. Now, but on these ETFs, they're actually trying to take possession of the actual commodity. What happens when they can't? Interesting, right?
Yeah, it is. And also, to be honest, what happens with everything else? So, what happens with BNB? What happens with XRP? What happens with Cardano? I mean, we can't have an ETF for every single altcoin. So,
Hmm.
yeah, maybe an index, like I said, yeah, possibly. But
Hmm. Hmm. Speaking about index, right? Grayscale has a fund component where a basket of the following assets and weights basically. So here we go. They have like Bitcoin, which anyone should have like 75% of, right, or 70%. That's proper weighting,
yeah,
right? Ethereum, nice and proper weighting for Ethereum. XRP, that should be not weighted at all in your portfolio. You are trying to destroy mankind when you have that in your portfolio. It's not even a cryptocurrency by most crypto experts, right? Solana, right? Sometimes online, yeah. Be willing to accept that it might not be running, yeah, when you need to sell, but hey, you can
it's
have that
there.
in your portfolio. It's there. Um, Cardano, of course, yes. So. If you swap out XRP for USDT, it's the same shit. Oh my God! Speaking about same shit, didn't you do a nice post on this the XRP?
Yeah, so I think it was last week on Sunday, I tweeted, if you would have invested $100 into Bitcoin compared to XRP, and I gave a bunch of different time frames. I've done from inception, from 2012. It doesn't matter how you skin it. The only way that XRP would perform better if you stay in the like 20 days, but if you invest with a 20 days time frame, you're a gambler because investing has to be, that's my opinion, a long time frame. So then this morning I tweeted this because I wanted to make sure that when you guys are saying stuff, data is always there to back you up. And as you can see, if you chart XRP versus Bitcoin, you can see that XRP has a ton of work to do. I'm not saying it's not going to do well. It's probably going to, I don't know, $4, I don't know, $5. It's going to go up, but not against Bitcoin. It's going up against the dollar, which means it's going to be way more convenient for you to hold Bitcoin as opposed to XRP. And even though there is going to be a moment in which some altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin for a small amount of time, when we're in a bear market especially, oh my God, like this thing is going to be way more than 90%. So make sure you store your long, term investment, whatever you want to call it, into Bitcoin. Because as you can see there, 90%. This is XRP versus Bitcoin. That's it. No dollars involved, right? So you have to consider this pairing, right?
Mm-hmm. Exactly. So there you go. And besides, I could, if you want to put money in XRP, I have some other assets that might 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 do better. I'm not saying they will. They might, right? And it's ORC. Let's start off with ORC, right? Let's do some TA. You can see ORC, has broken its downward channel, right, and has found a base, right? We move this base down here, base camp here, and once we do our marketing campaign, which we've been waiting for this guy to sell all his coins so that he doesn't damage our marketing campaign. It's done, and now it's time to go. Time to go.
Yeah.
Waffles. Looking at waffles here. Oops, there's like a little bit of messed up here with the price action here. Let's see what's going on. Come on. Let's see here. Let's come back to ooh, damn. They're doing it here too. Okay. Damn. On. There we go. Okay. Waffles. Let's go to 4 hour. So waffles has, a little bit of scary M out here, but if we could break this M pattern, right, and we have to break above this with $6.5 million market cap to really, break this actual pattern that's emerging here. That's not positive, of course. Yeah, there we go. Then we can start our new run all the way back to its 10 million market cap area where we were stuck at for quite some time. Wow. Well, it's found a base here. You can see we're starting a base level here. We broke that one, and now we're going to have to see if we can catch back up to that. But we're also creating a new one. So there we go. Looking at PayPay, on PayPay, it broke this key level and it had to break down to the next key level, and which was not so good here. This is the next key level, and there's another key level down here. Hopefully, we can turn this thing around and move this well above this previous key level and start the ascent. But one way or another, PayPay will rise I think in the meme coin cycle, which could be as early as next month, right? So be ready for, these are the times where you get your entries, right? You don't want to buy high, you want to buy low. So here's an opportunity. Okay, and these are not the degenerate coins, right? Because they're supported by a lot of hardworking people. No guarantees, of course, right? We're all doing our best job, right? We're not trying to rug people and stuff like that, but things happen, right? And you can't guarantee anything, right? In this market, you just guarantee you can just only work as hard as you possibly can. When you're doing honestly work as hard as you possibly can in order to make things happen in that particular meme coin. And if you're doing that, well, it's okay to invest and hope for the best, but make sure that you invest with money that you're willing to lose because you just don't know, right? Even with good meme coins, if the people behind it are going to pull it off, right? Don't you agree?
I agree, especially when Bitcoin drops. I mean, we've seen a major drop from Bitcoin, so of course it's going to take down everything with it, right? So only a few have managed to perform nicely
Hmm.
during this dump. But when Bitcoin is going to run again, and or when we see an altcoin season, I think most of these tokens are going to pump really heavily. So yeah, I agree.
All right, perfect. Now it's time for the filthy corner, the disgusting corner. Okay, let's go back to full screen so we can explain what's about to happen to people. Okay, what are you about to see here should not be seen by children, right? Or people who have problems with gambling, people who have problems, right, with buying stuff that they shouldn't be buying and hoping that it goes up to millions of dollars. This degen section is, of course, for those degenerate gamblers. You shouldn't be that. You shouldn't be buying any of these things. Yes, we make money, but that's just based out of pure luck, right?
Yeah, I agree. Just buy Bitcoin. That's it. Simple as. And if you want to be a degenerate gambler, just don't, right? Just you can enjoy
Hmm.
us doing it on your behalf.
Exactly.
That's
Exactly.
it.
And just live vicariously through us. Right? That's all. All right. With
Exactly.
that said, right? Let's move on to the first degen of the day. Oh my God. Do you remember this? I already took profits on this. We already made 3x
I
on this.
remember.
And I was like, yeah, Moonkey was gonna do, secure my bloodline. Man, it's still securing it. I mean, I made 3x and I
Amazing.
took profits and I'm leaving the rest. If this thing secures my moon key, goes to the moon and secures my bloodline, right? Jesus, can you imagine? I mean, I put $25 into this thing, $50, sorry,
There you go.
right? And then and it goes to like I don't know, $1 billion market cap. That'd be sick. That'd be
Yeah,
disgusting.
I love there's actually a couple of people saying that's their favorite section. I mean, I'm happy to read that in the comments, but guys, please be careful, right? Because this is degenerate gambling.
Exactly. I know. We don't know what's going to happen with this moon key. It'll probably rug, right? Probably, right? But there's always that chance that that somebody decides to pick this up, make jokes, and then other people start to buy it, and then it goes viral, and then you're like, "What? Moon key?"
Pretty much. Well, I mean, if you look at what Da Vinci has done, he has taken profit. Like we invested yesterday, right? This thing has done 3x. We sold half. So we're gonna let it ride. You can't lose money this way. But what can happen is these rugs before it doubles. That's it. That's something you have to consider, right?
Hmm. It is what it is, right? Our girlfriend took off with all our money. Coder girlfriend. Did you really think Coda girlfriend would do that? You'd think a girl would like be nice and kind and would be sweet, sugars and spice and everything nice. That's what girls are made of, but they're not. They're
Yeah.
twice as evil as men. Right?
She ran away.
Most, not everyone, not everyone, of course, but they can be, right? So be careful out there.
Yeah.
All right,
What happened to
this is
Asai?
I don't. A sigh. You know what? this does not look good because here, this looks like Ask AI.
I've not seen this one coming. Okay, so this then has to pump. That's it now. That it has to pump.
And this looks interesting with the cross out of a hole.
I cannot unsee this now. It's gonna be Ask AI forever. Oh boy. Okay, so we got that didn't go really well, right?
No,
Oh
no,
boy.
it's still alive. I mean, we bought this in the center. Here's the thing. Here's what this thing's doing, right?
Yeah.
This is a do or die situation for this particular coin. It's it's either we are exploding higher or going down. And usually when we get closer to the apex of this, it's always going down. So it usually breaks out before that. So oof, yeah, there you have it, right? Let's pray. Trade and pray.
Pray that the Ask AI is gonna do it. Oh boy. How much we've got? But we didn't go heavy into this one, right? Like
We
we
didn't go. We didn't go heavy.
okay.
No, no. Let's see here. What do we get here? Not much. We got one Solana worth, so yeah, we're good.
Okay.
We're good.
Okay. Cool. Oh boy. Damn that the Ask AI now is gonna stay with me forever. You know.
Daddy coin. I'm calling the bottom on this, man. I'm calling it. If and I'm not. I can't be 100% on anything, right? But I have a high feeling about this. Why? The volume increased heavily from the bottom because this is where you can pick up the this coin for cheap. I would wait and add some more if there's any kind of downward movement. This is a weekly, so let's go down to the 15-minute. If there's see how this happens, this is where you pick up, right? This is where you pick up, right?
Beep 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 beep.
Exactly. And then you have to and then, you know what? It's okay to do this. I'm gonna buy this here, and I'm gonna keep an eye on it, and I'm gonna dump this if it breaks this level.
Hmm.
If you do that, right, you break this level, you're buying cheap anyways. So you're not gonna lose a whole lot from here, right? And that would be the smart move right here. Because now you have a very limited downside. Yes, it's 20%, but we're in crypto. That's nothing. That's
Exactly.
nothing. That you shouldn't be crying about that, right?
What was
Because
the
half the time we lose everything. 100%.
exactly exactly what was the absolute bottom for Tate Daddy coin Daddy Tate?
The absolute bottom. I mean, honestly, let's see here. The absolute bottom is probably not that relevant, but we can just take a look at that. So the absolute bottom is when it opened, right? Of course, which is
Oh yeah, okay.
far, right? But let's just not go to that level.
Yeah,
Let's go because a break of these levels here is game over. So
yeah.
because they'll go all the way, it'll go from let's take this from
That week you
here
have, yeah, exactly. That's
all the way down to like another 80%. So you want to get out
yeah.
right before that happens.
So that basically the level you highlighted will be the last because there is a week
No,
on the
last
on.
stand.
Yeah,
Last stand.
perfect. Yeah,
That's
perfect.
the last
Okay.
stand. Last
Okay,
stand.
that's a
That's
great
it.
entry then, right?
Yeah. So you're at a good point here, 6 cents. Anything below 6 cents and higher than 5 cents, 4.8 cents, you're good to go. But yeah, just walk away if it breaks that 4.8 level and take the loss. Okay. This is like what the.
See, let's go. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. This would have been a winner. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Like it had to win, man. Of course. This was
I've already
This,
taken profits, but I'm like,
this is a no-brainer.
how?
It's like an ugly drawing with a weird name. Pippin. That's
How?
it. I don't know,
Well, I'm
man.
letting the rest ride, but man, Jesus, Jesus.
Amazing. Amazing.
So yeah,
Pippin.
I've already taken profits, guys, and whatever this does for us, that's what it does. I mean, I don't have much of it because I got it. I think around the 80 million market cap or something like that, and then boom, right? So yeah, there it is. Boom, pimping, pimping. Yeah, what
Amazing.
is it's pimping.
Pimpin.
Man, it must have got listed on the exchange or something because this is ridiculous.
I don't know, man. I don't know what happened there. But yeah, that's
Hmm.
I'm happy he's done it because we now sold half, so we are gonna let it run, and whatever it
Hmm.
does is free money, right?
Yep, yep. Okay, so now let's start looking for new stuff to buy, new stuff to waste our money on. Okay, I found one. I found one. Uh,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
5 million market. What?
Is that
Okay,
supposed
let's
to be
go down
the
to it.
Last Supper?
Hmm. Had a nice W. We missed it, and I loathe chasing these things, right? It's because we know that there's high run potential here, right? And so we missed this W. If
Mm,
we caught it like I don't know an hour ago,
that would have been
right?
great. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. We would have been. I would have been like down for it, but because they spent like what, 30K on this to advertise this. So
Mm,
okay, extra large language model. Oh my God. Speaking
oh
about
boy.
large language model, so let's move on to that. Let's go LLM. That's there's large language model. This thing went nuts. I don't know if you guys
Wow.
know that. I would
Th-
never have guessed. Looking at this picture, I would buy this to make sense because I've seen this before.
I mean, there is a
And
W.
what is that?
There is a
Hmm.
W
Hmm.
happening there, maybe, no?
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. You're right. Well,
I
you know
think we,
what? I think we should get this.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think
Uh,
we'll get some if it happens. It's already
and
in the 100 million market area, so and
wow.
come back down and trying to make a new high. This is the correction. Let's see the the what's it called is from the correction. Let's see here, 64. There we go. 78.6, 61.8. Would have been nice if it was just a 61.8 correction. But yeah, I'm willing to take it. Yeah. And if we take this all the way down here, so then it was a 61.8 exactly correction from the absolute bottom. So
Yeah, this could be like
let's go
Stefan
for it.
said.
Let's go for it.
This could be the new girlfriend. Yes. Yes.
This is
Let's
my
go.
new girlfriend. Yes. Yeah.
Let's go with this one. I like it.
All right.
Uh,
All
ha-
right. So how much do you think I should put into this one?
what do you reckon? One soul? Too much?
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna risk big time because it's already gotten so high, so it's really difficult for us to get anything out of that
Mm.
um, major paste. So let's just put one soul.
And by the way, guys, meanwhile, Da Vinci is buying this gem that we just found. We are doing a giveaway, so we want to grow the wallet from 10,000 to 100,000. It's going to be a epic giveaway, so you want to stay tuned and comment the streams because we're going to do something nice with it, right?
Yeah, exactly, exactly. So make sure you stay tuned, you subscribe, you hit the like button because when we announce it, and you miss it, well, that's too bad, right? So, all right, so let's sell this
At the double.
um, at a double.
Nice.
What the hell? Oh no, there we go. not too hard.
Nice, nice.
There we go. And we're selling half, right? So there we go.
Yeah, Laura says to the moon or McDonald's. Yes,
Exactly.
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 Until we will have McDonald's on the moon at some point, I guess.
Moon or McD for the large language model. Okay, so moving on. Right. I don't know if I want to get the extra large language model.
Oh wow, that's another
She's
one.
better. She's better looking, right?
Yeah, but the chart look, I don't know. What do you think?
No, her chart says no. Yeah. I think Lizzo's got nothing on her.
Yeah, it's I think one
Oh
one
damn.
one is enough, right? One of those.
Hmm. Wow, they spent a lot of money. They spent like 100K.
Wow. I'm boosting.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Damn. Like damn.
Yeah, that's a
What's
lot.
this fart goat? Fart goat.
Fart
Okay,
goat.
no. No. How about new?
So,
Oh, you
yeah,
know what?
that's
We need to get the audio here for like so I could go click and say, "How about new?"
yeah. We'll figure out and sort out the mixer next week so we can play some sounds. Yeah, with some sound effects.
Hmm.
Let me make the screen
And
bigger
so
so that.
yeah, my favorite would be Royal Express elevator to hell going down.
Yeah, you're gonna record that.
I want to see what my girlfriend's doing. No,
Oh,
no.
yeah, she'll
Oh
be
wow.
back. She'll be back.
Exactly. They always
She'll be
come
back.
back. They always come back. When I get strong and rich, she'll be back.
Exactly. When Bitcoin pumps, she'll be back.
Daryl.
Okay. How about build number 22? I think is no, sorry, 32. Build.
Build a
What's
bear.
that? What's this?
Why is that $50 million market cap?
I don't
With
understand.
Lego?
It's a blue Lego thing.
Blue
I mean, I
Legos?
I
It
mean the
don't
chart
make
is not.
no sense. And I know and the chart looks good. It don't
Yeah,
make no sense.
it doesn't make any sense. But I think we should buy 50, like half a Solana or something into this. Build dot
The
fun.
hell?
I love this. What is this? The team has been
All right,
working
it's some custom AI agent.
amazing. Blue Lego.
Okay.
Done.
All right. Fine. Fine. Yeah.
That's it.
I feel like a true degen by putting money into this, but that's how I felt about the other one, the
Yeah.
Pippin,
Pippin,
and
man.
it
Pippin
ended
was
up, I know, redonkulous.
redonkulous. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this one I think is worth 25 if you want to go 0.25 or point 0.5.
I'll go with 5.
I mean, the chart looks good actually. So, meh,
Yeah, exactly.
meh.
Meh.
Was there a cup and handle? Kind of broken cup and handle?
Well, we haven't but we're close enough. We didn't close the wick. It would have been nice if the wicks closed just close higher than that. But I guess we'll count it with the wicks. We would like to see the candle bodies close with the level of these candle bodies, but that's good enough. We're probably producing a cup here, a handle part of the cup and handle, and then off we go. So you guys could put some buy orders in the 4 million or 42 million dollar market cap range, just to see if you know you can catch this before it
Yeah.
takes off. But keep in mind, if you do that, you're gambling, and if you gamble and you lose, take out the your fault insurance.
Exactly. That's completely degen thing.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
careful. Actually, don't do any of these. But if you want, buy Bitcoin instead. If you can't resist it, well then, your fault insurance, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Make this bigger
Let's see
so
here.
I can see.
Let me zoom in this so that other people will see.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
There. Now you can see it, right?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Much better. Pippin, Pippin. Let's go.
Wow.
Pippin.
Wow. Let's go. Let's fucking go.
Do you
Let's
know? Do you know?
go.
It reminded
Let's
me.
fucking go.
You know, Pippin. What reminded me of the token we
What?
bought at dinner. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
That was
I know. It's
the
that. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Down with Peppa Pig.
exactly,
We're like,
exactly.
oh, I gotta buy that Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Yeah, that's
Exactly.
how
That, by the way, that
everybody at the
was
dinner table were, you know.
what is. Yeah, but this is why we wanted to do the show, right? So at that table, we realized we had to do a show about this.
Exactly. Exactly.
So
Because we're
yeah,
like, we're hitting the buy button on Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. What happened to
exactly.
Peppa Pig? But
Oh,
it was fun.
exactly. I've lost everything, but it was great.
Yeah.
Oh, spam! No
Oh,
way. That's the meat in the tin. Oh boy, this is
damn. Okay.
this is it's very popular in Italy for some reason. I don't know why.
Why would you
Spam.
eat meat in a can?
I
Why?
don't know, man. I don't know. But spam has gone even in the UK, to be honest. Yeah, but
Look, it
spam has
opened
gone.
here and we've locked the wick down
Yeah,
from the
we
outage.
lost it.
We're
We
close.
lost
Yeah.
it.
But
We
let's see
lost it,
here. How
man.
many holders? No, look at these holders. No, I don't think spam's going to go anywhere. So
Yeah,
we're
no,
going to
it's
move
gone.
on.
Yeah, spam has been
Spammed.
Skycat. Skycat. What's that? The pink thing. Skycat.
Ski cat.
Ski
Like
cat.
ski.
Ah, like ski.
Like skiing. As a ski. It has a ski mask, right? So these are ski masks. So
Ah,
ski
yeah.
cat.
Oh boy, the
Right.
chart doesn't look good though. Ugh,
No.
no,
Wow. It
nope.
went to 50 million. How does this happen?
There's too many people degenerate in this space. That's why. That's
Wow.
yeah,
Wow. I mean, can you
crazy.
imagine you were down here like 200K for like forever, for days, and then all of a sudden 50, what the frig?
Bananas, complete bananas.
Yeah, and this thing's completely dead. I mean,
Yeah,
there is
I
a
wouldn't.
chance that it could reverse, but unlikely. So with a 90% drop, so I
Yeah,
would suggest that you walk away from your ski cat. Skeet, skeet, skeet on that cat. Oh my God.
yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to know what skeet, skeet, skeet means. I'll
I,
explain to you later.
just can Google it. Yeah,
Oh,
this is complete bananas. Yeah, complete bananas.
piece of AI. How about no?
Yeah, I don't think it's a good
45
answer.
million in volume.
Wow.
What the hell? Okay, yeah, this was a scam.
Yeah, that's a daily chart though, so it's been around for a bit.
Mm-hmm. Didn't we already select this one, right? Yeah, we did. And it's still going for us, so yeah, hopefully it will pump up the jam.
Mm. The screen is still frozen on the ski cat, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. It's showing. It's only on your side. It's frozen. You can see on my sharing side, it is not frozen.
Let me check on the live
Right?
show.
You can see it.
Maybe it's just my.
No, but on the show, in the show, it probably is frozen. Let me just
Yeah,
stop
it's
it
frozen
and
on the
share
show.
the screen.
Show on the frozen as well. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. I think it's gone. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
How is it going with
What?
the unicorn far thing? Is it going up still?
I don't know. Let's see. UFD.
Or was it UFD? I think it was.
You down with UFD? Yeah, you know me.
This is a good buy as well, right? We doubled on this one.
I know exactly. Exactly. UFD. We ran
UFD.
into this thing. UFD. Yeah, you
this
know
is a
me.
this is a no-brainer also.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Okay. Yeah, it's probably everything is kind of dumping, I think, because of Bitcoin.
mm-hmm. Right.
What? What?
Right. Right. Right.
Okay.
Right.
I'm watching.
This thing. This thing is like. This thing just like was dead forever, and then all of a sudden it began to pump.
What?
Right. You know how this is the meme where so I'm buying Bitcoin, and then she's like, um, from Padme, she's like saying, right, and then
Uh-huh.
he's like looks at her like the same face, and then she's next one is she's not saying anything. She's like sad again. She's like, what? Oh my God.
Yeah. Yeah, I know this one. Yeah. It's like a meme, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
see?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
Okay. I mean,
I love it trading again. Right? Right?
right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
I mean, if it was, I
There it
mean, the
is.
chart looks a bit, there was a pump out of nowhere. So I'm not sure
Mm-hmm.
how, what do you think? How about,
Hmm.
it's super risky.
Yeah, it is. It's like there's not much we can like. Uh, yeah, it's just.
Uh,
I mean, we see that it's if it holds this line, we can say, if we wanted to trade this, I would go, okay, buy here and dump if it breaks this wick down here, and then just walk away, right? But I don't feel like it. I'm not trading this. It's only buy, hold on a double, and that's it. So we're not trading, right?
yeah,
Right?
fair enough.
Right? Right?
Right? I mean, I like the idea. It's just,
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
it's a bit risky. I mean, it's funny that we are saying it's
Yeah, I
risky,
mean,
like
exactly.
like
I know.
everything else
I
is
know.
not.
I know. I know. I know. I know.
Like everything else is okay. Okay,
Yeah,
Arnold.
everything else is.
We
Where
have
do
to
you see
look into
Arnold?
Arnold. 75, I think is. That's it. Like I love this. I don't even know what
Really?
it is. Yes. Can
Me
we look at
neither.
it? I mean, I have no clue, but it's awesome.
I don't like the chart.
Yeah, the
It's just
chart is not looking good.
no, no. And it looks like it's. And then we can see there's only 1,000 holders. There's not many people here. Um,
Oh, it looks like he's one of those matte character, right? You can
hmm
see all the others.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. I don't know.
I think it's go. I don't know. I feel something about this, but the chart
All
is
right,
not.
fine. Yeah, exactly. And then, look, it's moving so fast, but let's do it. Let's do it.
Maybe like a conservative 0.25. What do you think?
Yeah, yeah, let's do it.
Because it looks like we broke an uptrend, and we're kind of trying to. There might be a rejection
Yes,
there,
we
but
said no to the last one, right? But we're saying yes to this, which has nobody here. Right. Let's go 0.5. Let's go. Let's go frigging like really degen gambler,
I'm down.
right? 0.5.
I'm down with this. Yeah,
We
I'm
get
down with
some
the point.
major amounts of coin. I want lots of coins.
I'm down with a 0.5.
So how we doing, Arnold? Okay, so let's see. Arnold to the moon.
I think
Arr!
I think the screen froze again. I have you open at the Solana Arnold
Oh
exchange.
no.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no.
There you go. Let's see if. By the way, guys, let us know if you have any questions. I'm not ignoring the questions. There's going to be a Q&A segment coming in, so I'm saving some of the
All right.
questions for the segment.
Okay, so let's see. Guys, can you give us the helping hand with one more coin? In the meantime, I'll go look for Papa B.
PvP. Yeah, give us one coin, guys. One coin. We should look into it, potentially with a tick. Okay, let's see. FWOG.
I can't remember now how it's
That's a
spelled.
ticker from Latama. Peppa Pig.
Papa.
What was the ticker? Let me check on my
I
phone. I
can't.
still have it.
I
I still have
can't
it on my
find it.
phone.
I can't remember. But anyways, what was the ticker? What's the ticker that you guys want me to look up?
FWOG. Let me see. Peppa Pig. Peppa Peep. Oh, it's gone. Peppa Peep
Yeah,
is
I'm sure it's
gone.
gone.
Oh,
Yeah,
and
if it's not trading, it's not going to be on here. I mean, if you make a trade,
it will pop up again.
then we'll
Yeah.
be able to look it up. It'll pop up again.
They got 7 Solana into
Yeah.
that one. Into Peppa Peep. Peppa Peep.
Damn, damn, you rich.
In the toilet. It is what it is. Okay, FWOG. What's this?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for the
Like,
suggestion. Like a frog?
mm-hmm.
Wow.
70,000 holders. Wow.
Wow.
The 200, almost 200 million market cap. But
Okay.
you don't want to be buying this now because this thing is like dumping like crazy. It's like
Yeah.
dead in the water.
Yeah. Okay.
Right? This frog, this is like a dead frog.
It's a dead frog.
Right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Another one I have Adillo. 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 No, this is. But I like it.
Mm-hmm. I knew you would.
1.9
This thing
million
created look, it
market cap.
created a nice covered handle and didn't quite take it didn't go to its levels yet. Yeah, that's weird. It didn't go to this level, which would have been taking it above the 5 million market cap. But oh well.
Ah,
Let's go down to
I
shorter
don't
time frame.
dislike this. It reminds me of the Holiday Armadillo, you know, the Friends, Ross
Mm, yeah.
moment.
Mm-hmm. You want
Uh,
to do it? Yeah. Yeah.
Meh, meh,
Yeah.
mish. Yeah, let's do it. I think he has a good. I've not seen an armadillo yet. I've seen frogs, monkeys, Ask AI. Thank you for these suggestions, by the way. All right, done.
Mm-hmm.
A point, like a 0.25. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Nice and easy. Let's see what happens. We have the weekend, by the way. So yeah, looks like the
Mm-hmm.
Lonely Tunes. Exactly, looks like the Lonely Tunes background. I agree. Let's
Yeah,
see.
exactly. All right. So let's go on to the Q&A for the day. Let's call it a day. Now that we've lost all our money, right? We're going to go on to Q&A day.
Exactly. All right. So Gray is asking Bitcoin back to $77,000? Question mark. What do you think?
It's possible. Just don't bet on it.
Yeah, I agree.
How
There
about
is a
you?
CME
What do you think?
gap there, so it is possible.
All right.
Bisho
Next
asking,
question.
what do you think about Doge?
Dogecoin will do well in this cycle, so make sure you hold on to your Doge to get over $1. And especially, it might do super well in the summertime when we see craziness happen uh, with all the meme coins, which is where the likely time where meme coins are going to have an explosive move. We're probably going to have some sort of move in February and March timeframe, but that explosive move might not be as great as it will be in the summer.
Yeah, I agree, especially with the Doge politic thing with Vivek and Elon is going to do something. Some people are also speculating X is going to have payments in 2025, and they're saying that Doge is going to play a part. I don't know, difficult to say, but I like Doge.
Mm-hmm.
I like Doge.
Mm-hmm.
What is the plan for Waffle, Da Vinci? Have you got something coming up?
Waffles, waffles. Well, yeah, I have I'm going to be doing a little bit of a marketing blitz on waffles too on my Instagram. So look out for that.
Nice. All right. So can I get back a hi? Of course. Hi from Lamka. There you
Hey,
go. There's your hi. Please tell us a price prediction for Waffle in 10 years. Wow, that's very specific.
ooh, 10 years. Ah, man, I don't know. I don't know. Waffles. Well, I mean, I do have long-term support for my little cat, right? But waffles will be dead in 10 years.
She'll be in the force. She'll
Yeah,
be in
I
the
mean,
force.
well, my cat, it was 6 years old when I got her back in 2014. So, I mean, so she's 16 now, right? She's got fewer years ahead than she had behind. Just
Yeah,
saying.
I love Waffle.
So,
Yeah, 10 years is probably a
hmm
long time frame. I would focus on maybe a cycle to begin with, right? And see,
hmm
we should have a good 2025 ahead anyway. Omar is asking,
exactly.
what do you think about Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic? Oh, I don't have much to say about them. I don't hold any. I don't know what do you think, Da Vinci?
What do I think about Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic? I don't think about them at all.
Yeah, same to be honest. I'm even surprised
No
Ethereum
thoughts.
Classic still exists, but um,
Hmm
sorry,
Yeah,
I
it
don't think.
is. I mean, yeah, some corporations use it though because of the cheap fees and stuff like that. But yeah, I
Yeah,
don't think it's going anywhere. Anyway, move on.
exactly. What do you think about Brett and your prediction in the future?
Ooh, Brett's a good one. Brett coin. We should. Let me see. Let me bring it up on the deck screener.
Go back on your screen. There you go.
Brett is a buy above the $10 billion market cap, just slightly above the $10 billion market cap. Oh no, sorry, 1 billion. Sorry, 1 billion. My bad. No, this is not the right Brett, is it? Is
I
it?
hate when they do that. There is so many
Uh,
options.
exactly. Hmm.
Mm.
I can't find it. I'm assuming this is it, but this does not look like it.
It's 1.2 billion
Yeah.
market cap.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
should have a verified thing or
This is
something, man.
useless.
Come on, this is
This is
ridiculous.
useless. Yeah, it's useless because we can't find it. Right?
That's
We
crazy.
don't even
Yeah,
know if this.
I don't know why they don't do it. It just doesn't make any sense. They should have like a tick or something.
Okay, so there it is. This is the right one. Okay, right. Well, now that we have the right one,
Hmm.
what we can see here is Brett is holding the 1 point. Yeah, see, just under the one. If you're buying it below anywhere in this area, you're buying the bottoms for Brett. You can see this is a key level here from the breakout. And if we do some Fibonacci retracement, I bet you that's a 61.8.
Yeah.
Well, almost. There you go. So anything below here is a buy.
Nice.
And above this level here is a buy. So there you have it.
Nice.
There's your Brett analysis for the day. Next.
Nice. Thank you. Should we do last one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so do you still have faith in PayPay despite the big sell-off?
Yes, I do. I do. We've mentioned it today, right?
Yeah, exactly.
There's still good probability that we'll reverse this and go higher. So, yeah. All right. Well, that's it for
Nice.
today, guys. It was a great show. I know we started off a little early. If you're wondering what was going on, if you just joined us and you're thinking, wait a second, don't you guys start at 11? Yeah, we just started a little bit early today. And yeah, it was a fun show. I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Exactly. Cheers.